Well, I just started another business just because, why not? And I just had a roll of Ritz crackers for dinner. So this is a great start. I did my makeup today and I just want to start this video showing you how amazing my skin looks. I'm glowing. All right. I can't believe the shit I get done when I want to do something. Motivated AF. All right, let me go take a swig of water, wash my face quick, and let's get to this. I love seeing this box like almost empty. Like, remember I started when this thing was full? Let's finish it. Again, I washed my face so fast to do this. I feel like I've ripped my eyelashes out in the process. Oh, where's my little tripod? Never organized for any of this. I didn't realize I have my other new tripod. However, she ain't gonna work for this because I didn't have it set up right. Southern accent, hope you like that one. I realized I probably had like stuff in my teeth in the beginning of that video, and if I do, so what? We're gonna make this quick because these two need to go outside. Okay, so let's get down to business. I have a degree in journalism. I also almost have burns. How that stings. I also have almost a full degree in business, particularly entrepreneurship. I always dreamed of just opening like all these businesses. Like I have all these like ideas, and they don't need to be like these big businesses, but they just need to be like businesses. I've always wanted to start stuff. I've always wanted to start stuff to hire my friends and create like cool environments where you don't feel like you're working, but you're doing like what you love. The thing is, that's easier said than done. So I started a company years ago called Medine Media. My last name, Media. And my goal was to kind of do like a new take on like media and models. I spent about 10 years being a promo model. And I decided that with my journalistic background, that promo models are basically a source of PR if you hire the right ones who can talk the talk and walk the walk. Well, with this new company, I'm obsessed with skincare and I don't know anything about it. That's why if you're watching this video, I'm not sure why. But here's the thing. I have these visions, like I know what I like. I like cake. I like cupcakes. I envision these businesses where I go somewhere and it's like missing those elements that I wish it had. So I decided I need to create my own. I don't want to spill the beans yet, but I'm gonna make some stuff happen. If you've ever heard that saying, pivot, don't pause, that's where I'm at in my life. I need to make some stuff happen. And I need to make some stuff happen quick. Because now is the time to do all the things. Okay? All the things. We can do whatever we want. Build it, they will come. Start it, let someone else run with it. I want a private jet. I want to sip mimosas for breakfast. I want my employees to have mimosas for breakfast. Just kidding. It probably wouldn't go over very well. I've always been a leader. I've always been a manager. I've managed teams, promo models. I've always been like the lead in like my promo model jobs. I've always been, I don't know, just like that go-getter. When I say something, I'm gonna do it. It might not be pretty, but I'm gonna do it. And if you give your dog raw bones, please make sure they don't choke. I did not wash my face very good at all. I also forgot to do my neck, so a lot of this, but like, look at how good these work. Not good. Okay, that's good enough. I got my Kona down here, patiently waiting for me to finish this. So as I put my little head down to sleep at night, to get my beauty rest, I tend to go nuts. Like my brain starts just firing out these ideas and like I'm on top of the world and like, oh, this is such a good idea. Like I could literally build a business in my 20 minutes before I go to bed at night. So clearly I'm not doing something during the day to like be productive in those dreams and what sparks that fire. So I woke up this morning and I said, you know, what's the saying? Dreams don't sleep, we do. I don't even know if that's accurate. But I know what I want to do, and that's to create businesses, and a lot of them. And I want to create a business that can create another business. And that's where this little business idea comes into play. Because I need somewhere to sell my clothes. And I'm obsessed with all things beauty, skin, and sweets. Combine all those into one, and this makeup gonna go on like cake. I mean, that's the goal, right? We want skin that looks like butter. Oh, there's Kona chasing the cat. So that's a little life update on, I don't know, get shit done. Be a shark. Wake up and eat things. I don't know where that just came from, but thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Meaning if you haven't, please do. Tell your friends. If you own a business, give me your best business advice. I know the things that I'm good at, and like I know the things that I'm not good at, so like I need to focus on like, I'm good at like design and the ideas and the marketing and the branding and like managing people, but like I don't do money. I spend it. Stay tuned for another video because we are in the final countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a week left. Oh, it feels so good to wash my face. And hopefully soon somebody else can do it for me. Gold, baby, solid gold.